Climbers!
So if you can see, there's the hill right there. So it's the 105th Great American. We're here with all our buddies. Let's check out, you know, what we got going on in the pits and everything. All right, so first off, this is the borrowed 500 that I'm using from Clint. He's a local dude here in Billings, and he is selling this 500, so I'm gonna make a post about it here soon. But anyways, he's letting me ride it. Then you guys know this black bike, the built 75 horse Lloyd's engine. So I'll set up M5B, M5B, M5B. I'm not running the 86 this time because I have this 500. This one, the suspension's blown. If it wasn't for the blown suspension, I'd run it. So these are all of Mike's bikes. That's Mike or Nacho.
Hello.
Hey. Here's Bronson's bikes. They're all KTMs as well. Here's Dylan and Ty Hoop's bikes. So there's bikes all over the place.
Yeah! I was like, what?
Hey, what do you gotta say?
Everyone's like, you won? I was like, what?
We're here.
I was like, I was
Great
not
American,
strong.
and we're living, baby. Yeah, boy.
Heck yeah, buddy. Egg rolls.
Number one, baby. Yeah, Goon Climber.
Number one.
Goon Climber.
He puts us on top, bro.
Go and you'll be good. Yeah, right there.
Ooh. Bike from Rock Springs, Wyoming, I believe. And he's got a Viper tire with knobs in the center of it. You see that? Pretty wicked. The Mad Max bike. I don't know how it works, but it works. Here is Mike's bikes, Works Edition Honda. And he's gonna be running his 500, so he stretched it back.
Woo! Goon Climbers!
Wait, which one are you gonna ride today, buddy?
The big bore.
This is the big bore. You got nitrous, don't you? All right, here's the other lineup. Here's the Raptor engine bike.
Oh yeah, Raptor 700, big board to a 737. It's got a 20 shot of nitrous. Don Earhart built it, put in this 05 aluminum frame. Freaking awesome. Feels like riding a 450 since it's a single cylinder, so narrow.
You can move it around. Dude, this thing's set up so good. Oh, the bottle of Nos. We got like one of the few Suzukis here at Dylan's. So he's gonna be running this in the 450 class. All these builds right here. It's hill climb season, so we gotta make sure these bikes are solid.
These are kind of bad then, huh?
And we got Carson himself.
Oh, wow. Oh, I'm on camera.
You are, dude. You're gonna be official. Boys Performance. The lineup.
How we doing?
Taylor Davis.
Yes, sir.
What bike you riding, dude?
So we got the 2022 CRF 450R. This is Rose.
Rose?
Want everyone to meet Rose, you know. I dedicated the whole bike to my mom, and yeah, I'm riding for my mom, and mine and her favorite movie was Titanic, and I figured why not name her Rose? I won't let go, Rose, you know.
Hell yeah, dude.
Titanic. Yeah, we got ECU completely flashed at Twisted Development, and full Yoshi pipe tuned to T4. So
We got Thunder.
Thunder?
Her name's Thunder. Look at this 2023 KTM 450 Lloyd's built motor, flash ECU, throttle body, porting, RP exhaust, total unit.
Dude, you slay on this thing, bro. Dude, you've won like the last, what, couple races?
Thunder.
Something like that.
Not that long. Whatever.
Some days you just like, today let's
Good to go.
Dude,
Sick.
they kept going. Throttle.
Nothing, huh?
If we want to push it, I'm gonna go down it. Once he goes, all right?